Here's how to troubleshoot problems that you might be having with your safety sensors on your Guardian garage door operator. First, what you want to do is check the lights on both sensors to make sure that they're solid and not flickering. Guardian sensors come with a sending eye and a receiving eye, and the sending eye has a green indicator light while the receiving eye has the red light. The most common problem is for the sensors to be misaligned. If the sensors are aligned but one or both of the lights are out, the biggest problem that you're going to have comes with the wiring. This wire can get pinched by staples or baseboard, it can be cut, it can be poorly spliced, and if any of those things happen, it will cause a poor connection and cause them not to work. If the wires for your sensors aren't hidden behind the sheetrock, they might run all the way up and over and back. You're going to want to check those wires in every point that they're stapled to make sure that the staples are loose and that it's not pinched. You'll also want to check the connection of the sensor wires on the back of the motor to make sure that they're not loose and that the connection is solid. Depending on where you live, you might check the glass on your safety sensor, get some Windex and a paper towel and kind of rub the glass that's on there, because if it has a lot of dirt on it, then that would also keep it from having a solid signal between the sensor on the other side. Depending on the direction your house faces, if this sending eye is exposed to a lot of sunlight, that can also mess with the internal components and make it so that it doesn't send a solid signal to the receiving eye on this side. If you end up replacing your sensors, I would suggest putting your sending eye on the side that gets the least amount of sunlight. If you check all the potential problems that your wire could be causing and that still doesn't solve your problem, what you'll want to do next, you're going to want to cut this splice and you're going to want to splice a piece of wire directly to this and run it directly up to your motor. So you'd have a wire coming all the way from there down to there. And if your safety sensor light still doesn't light up or you're still having problems, then there's a good possibility that you have a bad sensor. If this is the case and one or more of your sensors is bad, you're going to need to replace them. To do so, contact our office and we can arrange for you to pick up a new set. Then watch this video to learn how to replace your Guardian garage door sensors. If this is something you don't feel like doing yourself, or you're having other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.